Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Odette and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good today. So I am really excited to announce the winner of this beautiful box from Look Fantastic. This is the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar for 2019, and this box was named by Good Housekeeping as one of the best boxes for 2019. So I'm so excited to give this beautiful box to Miss Karen Ann MUA. This box is for you. Please contact me so you can receive this beautiful box. I know there are some videos on YouTube already where people are unboxing this beautiful box. I did not watch because I don't want to see what's inside. I probably have a clue, but I am going to wait until Karen receives this box and do her unboxing so I can see what's inside, because I'm so excited to see what's in here. So Karen Ann, congratulations my darling. This box is for you. Please contact me. I'm going to be sending this box off to you ASAP. I am going to leave Karen's information in the description box for you guys. Head over to her channel. Please subscribe. Just say, Odette, send me to your channel, watch a video, leave a comment. That's all you need to do. It's a free subscription. Again, all of her details will be below for you. Karen Ann MUA, congratulations my darling. Again, this box is for you. Contact me soon and I will send this off to you. And stay tuned for more giveaways, guys. I have more giveaways coming up on my channel. Please subscribe. All of my details are going to be down below for you guys to follow me, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And again, this beautiful box is for Miss Karen Ann MUA. Congratulations my hun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I shall see you next time. Bye.